Hey Google, what are people searching these days?
People are searching if they can be replaced by an AI.
Hi, are you scared of being replaced by AI like ChatGPT? And that very fear is not letting you pursue your passion for design, photography, videography, etc. I mean, for sure, AI has advanced and invaded creative fields. So definitely, if you refuse to adapt and stay at the basic or even intermediate level, they are going to replace you. But there are always ways to be better than AI. After all, we are human and we created them. So why fear AI when you can use it as a medium or a tool to further enhance your performance, your skills, and your efficiency? So AI can't replace you. Rather, it becomes your buddy or a tool to add logic to your creativity and not replace you and your creativity. Okay, Google, what are the top universities to apply for video production and photography?
According to my research, Medhavi Skills University is best option to apply for photography and video production.
Still thinking? Don't. Just apply.